Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we will be playing Subnautica. I absolutely love this game. It's one of my favourite open world games. So yeah, I'm just really excited to play it. Okay, it's loading. Here's the name, Subnautica. Yes, it's very majestic. I have played this game a lot. So yeah, let's just play. Start a new game. I do like going in survival, but I like to just go around without having to eat or drink or anything. So I'm probably just gonna go into freedom. Okay, we'll probably have to wait quite a while. Anyway, so in my other game, yeah, I went. Well, I got to quite far in the game. I made a lot of cool stuff. Yeah, but I didn't find the islands. Yeah, I just couldn't find it anywhere. Even though I had looked literally everywhere. But I haven't got to the island or anything, as I just said. But hopefully in this let's play we can do that. So also say in the comments of this video what you would like to see in my next video, because there's a lot of games that I have on Steam, so yeah, just say what you would like me to play next video. This is probably going to take a while to load. Anyway, while it's loading, please like and subscribe to this video and to my channel, and watch all of my other videos. There may be other videos that you prefer more than Subnautica, but yeah. This is taking an incredibly long time. One thing I find about annoying about Subnautica, yeah, is that every time when I'm playing something, it literally takes forever to load. So yeah, when I make a new world. Oh, I think it's loading. Yeah, it's loading. Oh, one sec. Okay, let's do this. Unknown Worlds Entertainment presents a man going down a ladder into a seat. Launch in 3, 2, 1. Oh, and then he looks up at the Aurora. I'm pretty sure that's what its name is. The ship's name is. But oh no, I hope we don't get hit in the face by that weird thing. Oh no. But then we wake up and there's a fire, oh no. Oh, and then we're just smashing the pad thing to get out. Quickly. Get this thing. My sensitivity is too high. Okay, well that's done. Booting in emergency mode. Loading. More loading. Oh no. Okay. Okay, let's go out. Look at that amazing thing. Take that. I probably shouldn't be doing that. It's wasting fuel. Anyway, so we're finally in the open world. So let's go. Oh, hello, you weird sea fish things. Okay, where should I go right now? We need to look for titanium first. In order to be able to live. If we didn't have, titanium, we would probably die very quickly. I can't see any titanium right now. I'm gonna go have a look over here. There's the cool ship. Seriously, why can I not find any titanium? Oh, here's some. Okay, we'll have our first bit of titanium. Oh, is that some over there? Oh no, it's not. Oh yeah, we need oxygen. I forgot for some reason. What is over here? What's this? Beacon fragment. Nice. I seriously cannot find any titanium. Ah! Oh no! Ow. That hurt me. No! Leave me alone! Okay, what's down here? Some more quartz. Oh god, I need it. Oxygen. Anyway, let's look for more titanium. But first, let's go down here. Oh, I didn't see that there. Leave me alone, I already have less than half health. We've been playing for like 5 minutes. Pick this up. Pick the quartz up. Give me oxygen right now, you fool. Are you bloody kidding me? Well, I'm gonna die. I might as well just accept my fates. Oh, yes, I am dead. I am already dead. That was really fun. Anyway. Wait, do I even have any of my stuff? I have 1 titanium. Welp, that sure was fun dying. Anyway, so I have been recording only for 10 minutes, like half of that has been that first loading thing. But anyway, I think I would have to end this video like really short with only like 5 minutes or something minutes of gameplay because the recorder that I'm using can only like film up to like 15 minutes. So I'm gonna have to end the video. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Smash a like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.